You don't need 5 apartments to make money from shortlets. One unit can generate 500,000 naira per month, but only if the numbers make sense. Most people get into shortlet the wrong way. They copy aesthetics, spend money on furniture, and ignore the only thing that matters: unit economics. That's why many apartments look good, but stay empty. In this video, I'll break down exactly how one shortlet can realistically make 500,000 naira per month in Nigeria. This business is simple. Monthly revenue equals nightly rate multiplied by occupied nights. Let's use realistic numbers. Nightly rate, 50,000 naira. Occupancy, 20 nights per month. That gives you 50,000 times 20 equals 1,000 naira in revenue. Now subtract expenses. Here's a typical monthly cost structure. Rent, spread monthly, is about 250,000 naira. Electricity and fuel costs range between 80,000 to 150,000 naira. Cleaning and laundry take another 80,000. Internet and subscriptions are roughly 30,000. Maintenance and miscellaneous expenses are about 50,000. Total, roughly 450,000 to 600,000 naira. So your net profit becomes 1,000 minus 500,000, which is approximately 500,000 naira per month. That's where the number comes from. Not hype, just math. To reach 50,000 a night and 20 bookings, 3 things must be right: location, setup, and distribution. 1. Location. You need demand, not guesswork. Focus on areas with business travel, events, expat, or diaspora traffic. If demand is weak, pricing won't save you. 2. Setup. Forget luxury. Focus on function. Constant power, fast Wi-Fi, clean design, and good lighting. People book what looks reliable. 3. Distribution. No visibility equals no bookings. You need Airbnb, an Instagram page with real visuals, and a WhatsApp funnel. The apartment is not the business, traffic is. If you don't have capital to buy property, use rental arbitrage. Rent a 1-bedroom for 2 to 4 million a year, furnish it for another 2 to 5 million. Total setup, 5 to 8 million. If you're making 500,000 a month, you can recover your investment in 6 to 12 months. After that, it's cash flow. This is where most people fail: bad location, overpricing with no demand, poor photos, and no marketing system. Shortlet is not real estate, it's hospitality plus marketing. If you get the numbers right, 1 unit is enough to start. Then you scale from profit, not guesswork. If you want, I can break down how to get your first booking step by step. Just follow and check the next video. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video. Build skills that pay, decoded through urban systems logic.